In this video, we will be adding a resident to an existing lease. Adding residents to a lease invites them to register for the resident portal, where they can make payments, enroll in autopay, create maintenance requests, and use smart amenities. If you haven't created a lease yet, check out our series of Create a Lease videos for tips on how to create the right lease for your situation. Let's get started. To invite residents, navigate to the lease you want to add them to. Go to the Residents tab and click Invite. Put in their name and their email and hit Next. Choose the lease account you want to add them to. If you haven't already, check out our Create Single Lease Account and Create Multiple Lease Account videos for a breakdown on how lease accounts work. Click Next and review the information. Once you submit, your residents will be sent an email with an invite link to register for the resident portal. If you need to resend that invite, simply tap on your resident and click Resend.